Real-time technician tracking cuts down missed appointments, wasted drive time, and "where's my tech?" calls because you can see job progress live instead of guessing. By the end of this, you'll know the fastest way to set up live technician tracking, what tools actually do it, and where most contractors mess it up. If you want to track technician location in real time, you need 3 things working together: GPS permissions, a field service app, and active mobile check-ins. That's the whole system. Start with the software. Apps like Jobber, Housecall Pro, and Servicitten all have technician tracking built into their mobile apps. The office side gets a live map. The tech side checks into jobs through the app. Here's how to set it up. First, create your technician profiles inside your software dashboard. Add their phone number, email, and job role. Second, install the mobile app on every technician's phone. Third, turn on location permissions. This has to be always allow on both iPhone and Android if you want accurate background tracking. If it's set to while using app, tracking usually stops when the app closes. That's the part a lot of companies miss. Now connect jobs to technicians. Inside your dispatch board, assign each job to a specific tech. Once they hit "on my way" or "start job," their location updates against that appointment. That means dispatch can answer 3 things instantly: where the technician is, how long they've been on site, and what job comes next. Now the practical part. Use tracking for routing, not surveillance. If one tech is 12 minutes from an emergency call, and another is 35 minutes away, you can reroute fast. That saves fuel, and gets better response times. Also use arrival notifications. Most field apps send automatic "technician is on the way" texts when GPS movement starts. That cuts down customer no-shows because they know exactly when someone's coming. One thing to watch: battery saver mode. Low power mode on iPhone and battery optimization on Android can pause background GPS. If your map freezes, check that first. So here's the short version. Use field service software with built-in GPS. Give full location permissions, and make sure techs check into jobs correctly. Your next step is simple. Test it with one technician for 1 full day before rolling it out to the whole team. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more contractor workflow guides.